Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn about the Extrude Command tool in the AutoCAD, and this Extrude Command plays a very important role when you are modeling in 3D. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more such informative videos. So to learn the Extrude Command in AutoCAD with the help of example, so let's we start. So here we can click on the rectangle, and in the command line it requires to specify, so we have to draw a rectangle, and now this is a rectangle. So now we have to extrude this rectangle, so we will click on the isometric view. So now here we will write the extrude in the command line, and when we click on the extrude command, so it requires in the command line to select the object. So we want to select this object, and now we'll enter. Now as you can see that this is in a 3D, and now it requires to specify the height, means the extrusion height, and you can see in the command line it requires to specify the height of extrusion. So we want to enter a height of 1110 and then enter. So this rectangle has been extruded to a height of 1110. As you can see, this is the, and you can change the view from 2D wireframe to conceptual. So this is the rectangle which has been extruded by 110. So this was all about that, how to use the extrude command to extrude a closed region. So now if you have any question in this, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.